Hi friends, in this video we'll quickly predict how Monday market for Bank Nifty is going to be. In the last video that I posted on Thursday, we mentioned an idea like this. Uh, Expect slow and sudden rise in Bank Nifty 1 hour chart. Okay, that is posted on Thursday, and we anticipated that this slow frequency line, black line, could be another latest edge for people to enter long call positions. So these are the reasons we have posted for entering long positions, and 41,800 to 42,100. So precisely taking that as note, we have entered long position on Friday when price touched this inward frequency that I'm going to showcase here. So this is the slow frequency line that we have identified, and when price touched this line exactly at this point, so this is the point where we have entered long position, and we assume that this is going to be the target. So the optimistic target in this case could be somewhere around 41,900, but if that is too big a target, then you can at least expect that 42,700 odd should be a realistic target. Okay, so here we have entered trade and have captured some very good rally, and so we're still on with this trade. However, tomorrow could be a little different, looking at the chart in the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, let me show how that could be different based on my assumption of analyzing price. Okay, so this is how the chart behaved, and there's some pretty good market going high at exactly the same point. This is the point in 5 minutes time chart where we have entered. Price has just picked up from that level and then has entered some very good points. So now what's up? What's up next? Okay, we can wait until the target is touched here. If you have entered this trade at this position, if you have entered somewhere here and long in this position and waiting for trade price to touch this level, keeping some stop loss in between this middle of the vector, you may trigger stop loss, because we never know how price will behave. It may straightly hit the target, or it will keep bouncing before the price reaches the target. So for that reason, I'm trying to give you another idea. If at all there is another opportunity for you to enter a long trade, what could that be? Okay, I'll draw some lines and then show you if some of the lines may work or help you to assume a long trade position. I'm going to draw another frequency line here. Okay, so this is another frequency line that can be drawn, and I am placing this frequency line at the very low of this candle. Okay, so if at all price come to this location, you can possibly assume a long trade when price touches this zone and give some sort of bounce back. And with no matter where you enter, the stop loss is ideal to keep here. And if you're too optimistic, then the other stop loss can be kept below this low. Okay, that's the first entry. And I'm also going to draw some other specific lines. These are based on von Restorff effect. That means the market manipulation effect. So we capture those edges and try to see if a market edge can be captured again in the down time frame. So this is another line that I'm going to draw. And if I place this line back again in the lowest low of this vector, you see that price is almost catching this edge. Okay, price is catching this blue line already here. Once twice and twice. So this could give another edge if at all price is going to come down. Okay, so that is another possible entry. The third possible entry for you to enter this trade is to help me because of a pivot market edge using pitchfork. Okay, so this is another pitchfork you can draw, and then you see how price behaves when price touches this midline of the pitchfork, or some sort of relevance to this pitchfork. So that could be a third idea for you to enter long. So no matter where you enter long, you should assume that there is a proper reason to enter the trade with proper risk management. Otherwise, you are deemed to trigger a stop loss if you blindly enter the trade. Now, what is the reason why I'm expecting price to bounce back? For various reasons, I'll tell you. There's a possibility that price may come down from this level. I'll tell you why. So you see that this is a channel line. Price touching this channel line and creating an expanding pivot means higher high and lower low to this small minor flow. Now this could be a market manipulation move. Okay, for the reason that when price has created a higher high, it created with intense volatility, and then price has touched this line multiple times. Okay, this is a market manipulative move. This is a move by market makers because they've already gone very long and they want to come back and catch some SL hunting in layman's language, and then do that and then bounce back. So price, when this is the axis of manipulation, see how this midline, okay, I'm going to put that in red color for you to identify better. So see how this midline is going to act as a barrier once price came down. And look at the price signature here. It's an intense buying pressure. Still the price has been poked and then price has bounced back. Okay. So there's a possible move that this could be a market edge for people to wait and watch. And if you take another context, another help with the help of a relative strength index, price is going higher, but RSI is coming low, and we have already identified a possible market manipulation move. So there are chances that when price opens, it may take a resistance from one of these lines and then come back a little, test the other lines and then go back. There's a possibility. Okay, so that is not confirmation, but there's a possibility. So, and I'm going to also help you with another line where you can catch this edge when, if at all, price comes down. Okay, so this is one area. You see that price didn't touch this upward line and then taking respect of and extended to this low. If I draw this pitchfork to the latest low, okay, so price is now almost catching this outward edge. So you can find the other possible long entry along this red line also. So there could be many possibilities. We never know which one will work and which one will not. Okay, so no matter where you enter, as I mentioned earlier, enter with proper logic and reason and go for long trades if things are suitable to you. Okay, I'm not recommending this, I'm only suggesting this, and it's up to you to trade this trade or not. But if you ask me, I have already entered a trade here and I'm waiting for a long entry and the possible target somewhere at the touch of this midline. Okay, 42,700 is what I'm looking at. So this is about this video, guys, and if you're interested to learn how to read price like a professional, do approach me and I can be of great help to you. Looking forward to see you another video. Bye bye. Thank you. Good night. Shabakar.